Welcome back to EDS, and in this video we're going to have a look at how you can write your own options contracts, collect a premium upfront and generate consistent returns year on year with a minimal amount of time required. So this video is going to be a short video. The market is currently not open yet. This is pre-market. Market's going to open in about 20-25 minutes time. We've just got a chart open of the Euro futures. We have got a position here on the Euro futures. But essentially what we want to do is we want to have a look through a list of securities and try and find opportunities. Now for us, opportunities is volatility. We hunt for volatility and we short volatility basically. So one thing that we can do is pull up a basic watch list like we've got here, order everything from high IV rank to low IV rank. And now what we want to do is simply just go through the list one by one and make sure there is enough liquidity, make sure there are the ideal strikes that we're looking for. Sometimes it's not, sometimes it's difficult to get the right strike selection. Not all strikes are available for all underlyings. So if we go to the top of the list here, Dollar Tree, we can already see here it's looking a little bit light on the liquidity side of things, so we're not even gonna go into that. We can just filter out everything here, so we can get rid of the 1 and 2 star liquidity levels. So we've only got 3 and 4 star liquidity here. So as we can see, we've got Oracle. Oracle is obviously very well known. Everybody knows Oracle. We've got the Kroger, we've got Molson Coors, we've got HST, QCOM, EVGO. All right, cool. So let's just go through the list. Oracle, right? So we go to Oracle. As we can see here, we've got a monthly expiration on September 20th. That's 16 days away, which is a little bit too soon for us. So we are going to be looking at the October 18th expiration instead, which is 44 days out. Now, what we're going to do here is we are going to first of all look at the spread. So we can see here 9.85, 10, 7.05, 7.20. So the spread is about 15 cents wide, 10-15 cents wide, which isn't the best, but it's okay and it will do for the purposes of what we need to do. Obviously the market is closed right now, so these are not live prices, so we will not actually be putting any positions on. However, the mechanics are the same whether the market's closed or whether it's open. So it's a good learning opportunity. So we like to be somewhere between 16 and 20 delta. We're just going to go with a 20 delta because below that is 13, which isn't ideal. So we're going to go to a 20 delta on the call side, and then on the put side we can go to a 21 delta. That's the closest to a 20 delta. So if we look here, we have the 125 strike and the 155 strike on Oracle, and as you can see, the strikes are on the outside of this expected move, which is good for us. So this position would allow us to collect $420 upfront in premium, and our broker would lock up 1.4k in buying power in order for us to put this position on. So that's actually pretty nice return on capital there. We have got a probability of profit of 68%, which is perfect because we are just at the 1 standard deviation mark. We'll have a daily theta decay of $11.50. And this is actually a really nice trade. We've got IV rank very high, up at 84.6. If we just have a look at the chart, so our strikes are 125 and 155. So if you mark this onto the chart here, 155. 125. There we go. As we can see here, this is a beautiful trade, even once it's plotted on the chart. As we can see, implied volatility has come right the way up. It's looking prime for a contraction here. As we can see, price has stayed within this range. We are smack bang in the middle of the range, and I really do like this Oracle position, and this would actually be suitable for most accounts. So there we go. We found a position straight away on Oracle. If you didn't like that for whatever reason, just keep going down the list and just keep going till you find something that you like. Basically, stick to the deltas that we've mentioned. Also, what you want to do is you want to stick to this position sizing template here. You can just drop us a message in our Discord group to get a copy of this. Basically, it's a position sizing template. You just put in the size of your portfolio. Let's say if it's $15,000, you put in the level of the VIX. Let's say 24.5. 0.8, and then everything will be automatically calculated for you below. And then all you need to do is just use this information to form the backbone of your portfolio. Let it guide you in your position sizing, and you'll be fine long term. So you can get a copy of that. Just drop us a message. We'll go over that at the end of the video, how you can get a copy of that. But for now, we're just going to have a look at some positions that we've got on. We've got AMD, GDXJ, Intel. There was a drop in the market yesterday. If we take a look here at the SPY, there was a drop in the market yesterday. If we look at the VIX, as we can see here, there was a spike up in the VIX yesterday, and due to those two things, our positions have taken a little bit of a hit. Nothing is in the money, so it doesn't actually change anything. It just means that right now we're holding a paper loss, but it's fine. Nothing is in the money. We've still got plenty of time. Everything is still working as planned. We did take off a GLD trade just to free up some buying power. We will be looking at taking off the Euro futures trade some point. It is kind of early. I mean, we're only at 30, the trade's only been open a week. We've still got 93 days left on the contract. We are up 13.6% on the position overall. It is early. It is premature. However, I am just conscious of how much buying power we are using in this account. This is a small account, and we are being extra aggressive just to spin up the net lick on this account as fast as possible. However, you would not be anywhere near as aggressive as this if this was a proper full-size portfolio. We're just doing this because it is a very small portfolio. So we will probably be looking at taking profits very early for this. We'll probably wait till Friday and see where we're at. Right now, it currently is Wednesday, so we give that a couple more days. Everything, generally speaking, so the main bulk of our portfolio, which I'd say is here. Everything is kind of at break even. If we have a look at SMH, as we can see, again, it's because of this drop yesterday. Hopefully, we can see a nice rebound. Intel, again, the drop. GDXJ, again, the drop. And then with AMD, I'm sure you can tell what the story is by now. Again, the drop. We are very close to our short strike here, but we're just going to see how things go, see if AMD can make a bit of a rebound. And basically, yeah, so that's an update of our portfolio. There is nothing to worry about. There is no cause for concern. Nothing is in the money, and we've got plenty of time on our contracts. So with that being said, you can get yourselves a copy of this position sizing template. Drop us a message in our private Discord group, which is EDS Premium. EDS Premium gives you access to, of course, our Discord group where you can speak with myself directly and other like-minded traders. There is a full course in there, so you can learn everything from novice and go from novice to expert. There's no prior knowledge required, and you can access all of our portfolios. We have larger accounts and smaller accounts, and you get access to all of it. So it doesn't matter which size account you have, you can emulate our positions accordingly. So you can learn and earn at the same time. And of course, you can speak to myself directly and everybody else inside. We're all on the same journey. And drop us a message. We'll give you this template as well. There is a 100% money back guarantee. So if you studied our full course and followed our trades for 6 months, and if you haven't been profitable, we'll work with you for free until you do, or you can request a full refund. So it's completely risk-free on your part. Right now, the price is £1 a month. The price will increase for every 5 members that join. Whatever price you pay to get in, you're locked in at that price. So any future price increases will not apply to you. You only pay the price that you pay when you get in. So you are rewarded for being early. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the inside.